So a lot of people have been asking in the comments, what is your plan for all these stumps? We got about 100 of them. If you've been watching us cut trees for the last couple months, then you know, got a lot of stumps. This is Lonnie. He's the Dirt Ninja. Already been at it for about 30 minutes. Already got all the stumps out of this center island. We're going to take this thing down and flatten it. Kind of level out the whole top of this ridge. Figure we'll be done probably by the end of the day, and we'll have no more stumps and no more trees where I don't want them. Really good topsoil too. A little bit of clay, but overall the dirt looks pretty nice. Well, while he does this, let's go check in and see what the girls are doing.
Hey guys, it's Appalachia
and Marina.
If you like our chicken gear, you can get all of this at 24 Style.
Get 10% off your first order using the promo code Guildbrook.
You can get things like chicken phone cases, hooded blankets, chicken chucks, and even cute sweatshirts.
They also have chicken jewelry and decor.
First piece of decor for the new house.
Special thanks to Jordan at 24 Style for sending us all this cool chicken gear.
here. There's the big tree. I'll get the heck out of the way. That thing's probably 80, maybe 90 feet tall. Gonna try and keep it as a saw log if we don't snap it in half. Pretty stout. Butter. Cat's got some juice to it. Beat the chainsaw. Be able to get a couple booms out of that, a couple posts. Almost. Bye-bye. That one might be wrecked. Well, there you have it. One stumpless hilltop. Took about 6 hours and got rid of all the brush and the stumps, pushed them down over the hill. Had a few people ask why I didn't leave 3 or 4 feet of stump for the dozer guy. Well, obviously didn't need to. That's like a 17 or 18 ton Caterpillar, so it's trees and stumps, no problem. And the other reason is that last 3 or 4 feet is like some of the best firewood. So some people asked, why didn't you just have them come in and clear it all for you and just be done with it? Well, a couple reasons. One, I wanted to selective cut all of the firewood that I wanted, and without dulling the heck out of my saw. As you saw, when you push over trees and drag them through the dirt, they get caked with rocks and mud and stuff, and it wreaks havoc on your saw blade. Just those 4 that I cut the stumps off of, where he was holding it, he would hold the root ball so I could cut the stump off, and so the root ball wouldn't fall on me and squish me. Just those 4 that I did really just dulled the saw because it was so many like grit and dirt in there. So that's the other reason. Plus we saved quite a bit of money by doing most of the work ourselves, even though it took me a couple months. But now we're good. Next thing we're going to do is stake the lot, stake out everything, the house, the well, the septic, where everything's going to go. And then the well guys probably 3 or 4 weeks out still. They're really busy this time of the year, but we are on the schedule. I guess the next time the dirt guy comes back, Lonnie the Dirt Ninja, he'll bring the excavator to dig the basement, and then we'll knock down that shed. We didn't want to do it with the big cat just now because it would have just crushed it and we'd have nails and stuff everywhere. So he's going to use the excavator and we'll kind of smush it right there into little pieces, and then we can kind of manage it better. But that's where we're at, and we're making progress now. It's kind of getting exciting. Eventually this is all going to be leveled down and flattened, and then most of this dirt will go that way, so we'll have even more yard really. It'll be easier to drive up here. So got quite a bit more firewood, some oak and poplar, and that real big oak tree that was there is now there, and that's going to make quite a bit of wood. So we'll get this cleaned up between now and when the well guy gets here as well. We're making progress. I think next nice day we get, maybe tomorrow or the next day, we're going to come up here and just kind of root around and look for arrowheads. There's a lot of them around here. Our neighbors found a lot of them, and now that we got all this dirt turned up, we might be able to find something. Also stay tuned. In the next video, Jamie's going to do another giveaway for Guildbrook art, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Isn't this a cool thing I found on my phone? I think it's pretty cool.
Fancy.